It's hot. I don't have time to be funny. Let's go. Welcome to the channel if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. Today is a Mailbox Monday. This is Bullman Built RC. This is where I show you everything that I got over the last week or so, and we go through it and I tell you what I'm going to do. Let's go. First up, Amazon had some tape, and I was like, I need tape. So they sent me what I ordered in tape, right? This is just 12 rolls of clear packing tape from Grizzly Power. So I got this, and then all of a sudden it said it wasn't delivered, and then this showed up at my door, and I got 12 more rolls of Grizzly tape, packing tape, and then so they said this one didn't show up either. So then they tried to refund my money, and I was like, I got the tape. Like, I don't need the money back. I got a lot of tape actually. And they're like, it's fine. So I don't even know where we stand, but I got 24 rolls of tape, and I may not have to pay for any of them because Amazon doesn't know what the hell they're doing. Next, I don't remember what this is. Still don't remember what this is. Oh, these are labels. All right. So a couple weeks ago, I got a Bluetooth label maker. They only came with like 30 labels, and figuring out how to use it wasted about 28 of those. So I went ahead and got more labels. So there are 500 peel and stick 4x6 labels, and now I can ship all the things, and you guys don't have to try and read my psychopath serial killer writing. So I got that. Next, rounding out the Amazon, I also got this. This is actually already in a box that other things were in, so it is what it is. But this is a display stand that rotates. So now you got a USB charging buoy. You know, you put this in there and charge it, and it spins. So wicka wicka wicka. You know what I mean? So now while we do lives, or while I do Mailbox Mondays, I can have something maybe in the background spinning. Maybe it's the last thing I opened. I'm not real sure, but I got that, and I'm kind of stoked. Crawl actually has one of these, well, kind of one of these, whatever, has one, and I went ahead and bought one. If you don't know, Crawl is another YouTube channel. Super good dude. Go check him out after you're done watching this. Next, from Deluxe, this is in a package that I could not keep closed because I owed some people that were in it. These are AR-44 brass knuckles. They go on the F9s, F10s. They all fit all the things, and the 44s. Super heavy. I forget what these weigh, but they're hefty boys. So I got those. Not 100% sure what I want to put them on, but I went ahead and got them just to have them in stock for one, and then if I find a use for them, I'll just order some more, and then I can have them for sale. Because if you did not know, I am a Deluxe dealer. So if you are local, let me know if you need anything. Next, went over to my buddy Jordan's house, got a little bit ahead of myself, and he had these sitting here, and I picked up some Yokohama Geolander MTs. I was going to put them on my comp truck, and then I got my optic in and realized that I already had more Geolander MTs, so now I have a bunch of pairs. So I got those. Not 100% sure what I'm doing with them now. One of the pairs will make it onto my comp truck. It is what it is. Pro mod, technically. Next, Robert Gunning, I believe is how you say his last name. I don't even know if this is sealed. Is this? Nope, not even sealed. Alright, he sent me some plastic parts. Got some stickers. Hell yeah, brother. Tiny Truckers for Charity is an organization that he sent me a sticker to. I'm not 100% sure if he works with them, for them, if that's his. I'm not real sure. I'll put it on the screen here and send you their way. But Robert sent me all the plastics for the Unimog cab that I bought a couple months ago-ish, roughly. I bought a Unimog cab from Kirby that had nothing else in it, and I didn't have anything with it. So he got me all of the plastic parts, and I believe he sent them for free, if I remember correctly, which is super cool of him. Thank you very much. Next, from my dude Mark over at Crawler Cult, he sent me a Servo War shirt. If you have not seen this shirt is amazing. It says, in a community not so far away, there's a Servo War. Team driver clones and fanboys are in chaos over who can turn left or right better. But the rogue group Crawler Cult has emerged to fight these forces who bring unrest to the RC world and remind them that no one gives a shit about your servo. 100%. You got your favorites. I have my favorites. Nobody cares. It just is what it is. Let's not fight about it. It's silly. So, that is all. That wraps up Mailbox Monday. If you have not, check me out on all the social medias. Bullman Built RC across the board. Facebook groups, and Instagram. If you ask to join my group, just answer the questions. Not that hard. Just making sure that you're a real person. And check me out YouTube Live on Mondays, 7 o'clock Eastern PM time, whatever time that is for you. And I will see you later. Bye. All right. Me. Check me out. But the rogue group Crawler Cult shit. Skill Crawler shit. Fuck. Bart. Fault. Balls! Whew, heat's getting to my head, dude. I'm getting stupid. Oh, my butt's freezing.
My bad. My butt's
I think it's
too.
actually frozen to my butt.
Dang.